Commissary team. Every year, tumataas ang dispatch quantity, ang job order quantity. Every year rin, nagiging mas crazy ang theme nyo sa Christmas party, no? Ano bang theme ngayon? Gangster. Kala ko gangster. Pili ako dito ng iba na mukhang gangster. Joke. As usual, ang Marinates team ay bongga-bongga na naman. But every year, no, mukhang ang team nyo din, ang commissary team, ay nadadagdagan ng bagong empleyado. Tama? Sinong bago dito? 1 year, magwa 1 year. Sino hindi pa na-regularize? Meron din, ka Mimay. Oo, totoo, hindi ka pa na-regularize, no, Mimay? Joke lang. So, as Mary Grace is growing at madami tayong bagong members in Mary Grace, I'm also proud na madami din nag-step up this year. Every year, may nag-step up, may napopromote from within. And I want to remind people who are here, lalo na yung mga veterans or even yung mga bago, no, na bigyan nyo ng lahat sa trabaho because this year we want to train more leaders. We want to teach you how to be a leader, how to be a team leader, paano maging supervisor, paano mula rank and file maging officer. Sino dito may ganong pangarap? Lahat ha, lahat dapat lahat sa inyo may ganong pangarap. Okay? Because we are ready to give that to you. To give you that training, no? To give you that mentorship. Last year, sino dito nag-attend ng supervisory seminar? Yan, yung mga bagong supervisor, no? Philip, yung mga dating rank and file na naging team leader, and you are now, ginagampanan nyo yung trabaho ng isang supervisor. And one day, I hope to see more leaders from the commissary team. Sinusundan ko sa Viber thread, yung galawan sa commissary. Sa totoo lang, very in control ang galawan nyo. I'm very proud of the leaders na kayo ang nag-take charge. Especially to, I have to say, no, to Mimay, na bagong-bago pa lang pero nag-take charge. To Philip, na hindi natulog. No? Huwag na natin sabihin isa. Alam niyo na, kung hindi niya natulog, nandun siya sa garahe, hindi rin siya na ligo. Oo, nung nakita ko siya, inisip ko nga kung yayakakon ko pa si Philip ng Happy New Year, ginawa ko na lang, no? Bango naman yun. Sige na, hindi siya natulog. Happy New Year, Philip. Ay, Christmas na, Merry Christmas. But ang daming hindi natulog, ang daming nagbigay ng oras, ng efforts, yung coordination nyo sa isa't isa. First year din natin na may MSL, no? Sino ditong warehousing team? Stockman team? That was an additional thing to, yes! Oh, may beer ba dito? That was something new na naman sa commissary, yung galawang may third-party cold storage, no? And you were able to overcome it. Yung QAs who are tutok na tutok sa quality natin, lalo na sa third party. Thank you and congratulations, no, QAs. Wala tayong alleged food poisoning this year?
Wala.
Merong alleged, walang valid, no? Wala tayong problema with our NVI testing. Lahat ng samples this year pasado. So congratulations to QA team and to our commissary team. I remember the first time na nag-speech ako sa commissary team, galing tayong malaking pilferage na kaso, no? And I remember saying, kailangan natin ipakita ulit at i-prove and to clean the commissary name. And I have to say that you have. No? I am proud of the commissary team. Very low discrepancies, so much leaders, mas maganda na ang working environment, no? Ang narinig ko rin, yung mga QA daw dito, sobrang well-knit, well-coordinated, strong leadership. You bounce back, commissary team, after many years, you bounce back, and you are a team that I am proud of. So before I end my speech, I also want to congratulate, after peak, it's not easy to be busy again So congratulations to Sir Nori and the Christmas party team. No? Parang walang pahinga. Peak, tapos plano ng Christmas party ulit. So thank you for doing this for your staff, for your members. This is an example of an outpouring of love, of service. No? So again, thank you Sir Nori and to the Christmas party team. And of course, lastly, I want to say thank you with my whole heart to Mary Digno, our small but terrible leader of the commissary. Thank you, Mary, for taking care of the heart and soul of Mary Grace Cafe, right? Every time a customer comes to eat a pasta, it's not just the chefs in the cafe, it's also you in the commissary. It's 50% commissary, right? Your bases, your soups, kung gaano ka malinamnam ang longganisa, it's commissary. Yes! Amat balls, commissary yan. Right? Yung rave sa TikTok na tapa, marinate steam yan. Right? Or bangus na tinatiming kung ilang oras marinate, no? At sinusundan ng inventory, that's our seafood team. No, Jasper? I wish I type si Jasper. So every time you see Mary Grace on TikTok, every time you hear Jokoy, kilala niyo si Jokoy?
Yes.
Talk about Mary Grace team, Mary Grace cheese rolls, Mary Grace ambiance, he's also talking about Mary Grace commissary team. So congratulations guys. Congratulations Mary and Mimay. Enjoy the night. Kailangan ko ng tubig. No? Enjoy the night and I turn you over to MGD and HYD.
Masarap na makabalik ulit dito sa rooftop na kasama ninyo. Lumipat na kasi ang mga iba't ibang Christmas party sa Manta, pati na rin sa mga iba't ibang cafe, no? So it's nice to be with you. Kaiba talaga kayo. Marami ng magandang sinabi si Mian na masaya akong malaman sapagkat nakasama ko kayo after the pilferage issue, tapos through the years that we were trying to fix, no, our inventory, tama, Philip, Len? And I'm so happy to see how all of you, under the leadership of Mary, no, have come to bring Mary Grace to where it is today. Nakakuha ko ng report kanina nung nakipag-meeting ako kasama ng mga ilang heads na nagkaroon sa loob ng Disyembre ng mahigit na 16 na reservations, no, sa Mary Grace Cafes. Ang isa doon ay ang BPI na ang guest count ay over 250. Ang kanilang hinain ay mga steaks na prepare ninyo, mga salads and pastas and soups, at sila ay nasiyahan. So, sa ganitong pagbibigay ng delight at ligaya sa mga customer natin, ang Mary Grace ay lalaki pa at hopefully, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa ilang lugar sa Asia. Sana, sa tulong ninyo, sa blessing ng Panginoon, yung panaginip na yun para sa akin, hindi magiging panaginip, kundi magiging realidad. Nakakatuwa na you are here, we are able to utilize your talent, at kayo naman ay nakakapagbigay ng buhay sa mga pamilya nyo at kamag-anak. Yan ay biyaya na binibigay ng Diyos mula sa amin, mula sa inyo, at sa iba't ibang customer, no? Sa Metro Manila hanggang Baguio, La Union, at malapit na sa Lipa at Lucena, no? May kiosk tayo sa Lucena. So tonight, with the Blessed Mother, no, blessing us all, I'd like you to imagine her blessing each one of you, no, for all the joys that you have given to the numerous Mary Grace customers in every cafe who love your food, no. She's blessing us all. May she continue to bless you more, your loved ones, your children, your families. Amen.
Amen.
Hello. Anyway, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ng lahat sa mahirap itong nakaraang holidays kasi alam naman nating, you know, tumataas ang demand during holidays, during December. At doon naman talaga nakikilala yung Mary Grace. Nag-umpisa yung Mary Grace sa bazaar during Christmas. Doon sila nakilala. Kaya, ang importante ay mapanatili natin yung quality, yung good customer service. Yung quality starts from the commissary and the bakery. And then, of course, good customer service starts from the outlet, from the cafes. Importante, mapanatili natin yung commissary. Ngayon, meron akong personal mission this year. Gusto kong dagdagan at improvein yung mga makina natin sa commissary, sa bakery. Okay? Meron na nga dumating ngayon dalawa. Sa Friday, darating na yung vegetable washer natin. Sino yung in charge ng nagwawas ng vegetable natin? Ha? Okay. Isa lang. Dami-daming ginawas na vegetable, di ba? Darating na yung makina natin. So that madaling magwas, magandang magwas, matipid pa sa tubig. Okay? Sa Friday, i-deliver na yan sa second floor. Okay? Para mas marami tayong madaling magawa at yung mga ma-divert natin sa ibang gagawin, no, as we expand. No? And then we will continue also to we look for more machines, no? Kagaya nun, gumagamit tayo ng maraming yelo ngayon, di ba? Ilan? Dami-daming araw-araw, yelo, di ba? Tube ice ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Di ba? How many kilos? 2,000 kilos a day? Ang mission ko, tanggalin yung yelo na yan. Okay? Para mas maganda trabaho natin at mababawasan yung basa-basa sa production floor, di ba? Ang pangarap ko, kukuha ng machine na mag-automatic magpapak siya nung yung mga soup natin, di ba? Yung mga maiinit na soup. 60 degrees, nilalagay sa boilable bag pa yan. Pagkatapos, dinadunk natin sa ice drum para lumamig bago ilagay sa freezer. Right? Kung hindi, masisira yung freezer. Okay. Ang pangarap ko ay mawawala na yan, dadaan yung conveyor belt, may automatic na tapos dadaan doon sa parang tunnel. Yung tunnel malamig yun. Paglabas doon sa kabila ng dulo ng malamig na. Okay? So makakabawas tayo ng mahirap na procedure at nagbabasa sa ground floor, sa flooring. Okay? So unti-unti nating dinadagdagan para lalong lumaki yung production natin, na lumami yung production without necessarily adding more and more people dahil pasikip na pasikip tayo. But importante is consistent, mas madali yung trabaho, mas maganda. and while improving our our capacity and consistency. Yan din ang gagawin natin sa commissary, more and more, para yung kasi sumisikip na yung building eh. Nakakalat kasi manual lahat, manual, no? So, and at the same time, all of you also, a lot of you will be introduced to using and operating machines para na-improve at na-upgrade yung quality, yung knowledge natin lahat, di ba? So that's one of our major thrusts this year. Hopefully by the end of this year, we would have introduced a lot of machineries. Okay? Para gumanda, gumaan, maging consistent yung trabaho natin. Importante, panatiliin natin yung quality because very important ang quality. Alam naman ninyo, pag nagpupunta sa mall, mawala ka lang ng 4 na linggo. Nating mo, may bago na namang restaurant, di ba? Walang hinto, dating ang restaurant, di ba? Walang hinto. Patating, marami pang darating. Kaya kung hindi ka matibay na restaurant, magsasara ka. Di ba? Ang dami na kasing choice ng mga customer. Para matibay, consistent quality, consistent service. Alam natin, masarap naman yung Mary Grace. Maganda yung cafe natin. Isa sa pinakamagandang mga kape pagpasok mo. Di ba? Pagpasok mo lang, kahit na hindi ka pa kumakain, nabubusog ka na sa pinapanood mo. Di ba? So, we're offering more. We believe we're offering more. So, importante ay mapanatili natin yung quality. Quality, quality, quality. Very important yan. And then, of course, hygiene and sanitation. Ayaw nila yung mayroong dumi. Kaya, panatilihin natin. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's make 2024 even a bigger year than 2023. Thank you.